A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once in a small town, there lived a man who used to sell caps in all the nearby towns and villages. One day, as usual, he was starting with his business. He decided to go to the next village. He was going to sell his caps in the village market. Caps, caps, caps. 5 rupees caps, 10 rupees caps, said the cap seller loudly. He was going through a forest, carrying a basket of colorful caps in his hands. He got tired in the heat of the sun and thought of lying down under a tree. As he had walked a long distance, putting his basket on the ground, he thought to himself, "I am so tired. Let me take a small nap." There were many monkeys on that tree. Slowly from one of the branches, a monkey peeped out. All of them were very naughty. One of them came down. On seeing the caps, it whistled. All the other monkeys responded to his whistle. One by one he took all the caps from the cap seller's basket. Everyone wore the caps and were playing merrily. When the cap seller woke up, he was shocked to see his basket empty. He searched for his caps everywhere. To his surprise, he saw the monkeys wearing them. He found that the monkeys were imitating him. So, he started throwing his cap down, and the monkeys repeated the same. The cap seller quickly collected all the caps, put them back in his basket, and went away happily. Moral: wisdom helps in difficult times.